Okay, I just put these new strip lights in behind the grill, or behind the intakes there. This is basically a LED strip light. You can call it night rider light, whatever, but it does pulsate back and forth. It's got many different modes, colors on it. I'll show you here in a second how I put it in. But basically it's, I think it's a 22-inch light. Got it off eBay for like 22 bucks. And you just wire it to the positive of the battery. And then it's got its piece down in here, the control module. And then the negative goes to a ground. You can see it's got this series of, I guess that's for the different modes, colors. But, yep. 23-year-old LS1, 87,000 miles on the car. Drives fantastic. I've done a few things since I've owned it. I got just got it a couple weeks ago. New shocks on the rear, Flowmaster 80 series muffler. About to do new wiper blade. It's going in for transmission service and all that next week. Just got an oil change. Car runs fantastic, like I said. New LED lights down there for the fogs. And Pontiac Ram Air. This is the WS6. Let me go ahead and close the hood so you can see. What it looks like behind there. There are different modes you can put on where you can have just the lights itself going out each way from the center. You know, each one goes back and forth here and over here instead of just like the traditional night rider light back and forth. But I'm digging it. I like it. Love the front end of the Trans Ams. Always did when I was younger, when these came out. I mean, the Trans Am's an iconic car, dating back to old Bert. Anyway, hope you liked the video. I'll post more content. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.